Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Welcome to episode 1 of my moving series, Move With Me. Really creative, I know. When you're watching this video, it is August 18th, which means I move in 24 days. I feel like I've been talking about this forever. It's a really long time coming, and I would have been shocked if somebody came up to me and told me this was happening a year ago. I would not have believed you, but I'm actually moving less than a month, and I am packing up early because I start school a week from today. When you're watching this video, it will technically be my first official day of classes, and I want to be able to focus on my work. We all know teachers love to just load on the homework at the beginning of the school year. So I'm going to try to get as much packing done as I can before school starts. That way I don't have to worry about it. And whenever moving weekend arrives, I'm not like rushing and freaking out because I have nothing packed. So it's time. Honestly, I don't even know where to start. Also, I am an outfit repeater, okay? I think I've worn this shirt at least 10 different times in videos. Not even from Maine. The last time I wore it, people were like, oh my gosh, do you live in Maine? No, I live nowhere near Maine. I'm from California on the literal other side of the country. But don't worry, I have a big online order coming in soon. A haul is gonna be my next video, so I will have some new things to wear in my vlogs / videos. Anyway, I'm a freaking chatty Cathy. I need to wrap it up and start packing and just get to it. Okay, pause this video if you need to and just prepare yourself for what you're about to see in my family's garage. This is just scary. The surfboard's gone. We need to patch up all the walls here. And there's just boxes, bubble wrap, and random things all over the place. So this is my bed right here. Obviously, it has to be built. Pretty much all the furniture I have for my new room is brand new. I'm literally only taking a plant. Everything else from my current room is out of here. Is for my room. These are floating shelves that will go above my desk. And then pretty much the two big pieces of furniture are my bed and my desk. I also have a chair upstairs, but that's not anything to be overly concerned about. So the main form of packing that I really need to do is get all the stuff that I've already bought for my room organized out. I just framed these things the other day. I have towels in here, and this is just filled with home goods, bags, things like that. And I am going to try to take this all upstairs and get it organized. So here we go. Oh my gosh, okay. I just moved everything to this little landing on the stairs. By the way, I did a big room decor haul video already. If you have not seen that, please go check it out because you'll be able to see the style of my room / what I'm going for. I think I'm waiting on like 3 or 4 things to come in the mail that were on back order. Oh my gosh, these pillows I ordered. They're cactus silk pillows and I'm so excited about them. I searched for them forever and finally found what I was looking for. Anyway, I'm gonna take it all up to my room and then I will update you and we can actually start making this happen, and I need to get my rambling problem under control. Okay, this is what we're working with right now. I need to white out the addresses on that box really fast. Also, please ignore this massive, disgusting pile of laundry. Okay, just pretend it's not there. I'm gonna do it later. I literally, don't hate on me if I'm not doing this right. I have no idea where to even begin with this. And I don't want to do too much too soon where I like don't have anything left, you know? I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take everything off of the wall. I actually am saving. New prep video? Hey. Yeah, it's the first episode of my moving series.
Oh my gosh, you're doing a moving series?
Where have you been? Not keeping up on my vlogs. I think I'm just gonna start by taking everything off the wall because there's no point in just leaving it up if I have the time now to take it down. People are probably like, you're literally crazy. You're not moving for another 20 days. Okay, like I said, please do not hate on me. Oh, there goes a nail. Well, I don't wanna like just throw this stuff away. My mom was gonna put it up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, but I think I might just bring it to like thrift store or something. I don't know. I'm gonna consult my mom when she comes back. She's out of town, taking my brother to college right now, so this will probably just sit in the corner of my room. There we go. It's so empty. Yeah, people are definitely gonna be like, what the heck is she doing? She's psycho. I'm just kind of a control freak and I have to have it all ready and done. But also the walls need to be patched, so it's never too early to start, right? I will not miss this love thing. Anytime there's a big truck or something loud in the neighborhood, this like bangs against the wall and makes that sound. right, all of the holes are patched up and the walls are so empty. I also need to get this thing off, but I'm still gonna be looking in this mirror daily. So I'm not gonna remove that just yet, but like I said, all the patching is done. The consistency of this stuff reminds me of the stuff when you go to the orthodontist that they put on your teeth to mold the retainer. So random, but that's what that reminded me of. Now, before I forget, I need to take a thumbnail for this video really fast, and then we'll just really get to the packing up portion of this. My goal for tonight is to get all of this packed into boxes. This is 2 suitcases. I have a smaller one in there and a bigger one. I'm gonna take out the smaller suitcase because we might have to stay like one night in a hotel the day before we move into our house, just because of the close of escrow and all the random details. So I would just pack everything I needed for that night in the small suitcase. Got the thumbnail, and now I'm gonna start packing this up. I think the only thing that I'm gonna pack up from my closet, or like a couple things actually, are any holiday things that aren't happening till we get in the new house. And this giant coat I will probably not need because it's gonna be really hot at the end of August. Clothes I don't really wear very often. Things in here that I'm probably not gonna use, the headphones, my old vlog camera, all that jazz. So without further ado, let's finally get to the part of this video that you came for. Let's pack up.
Sometimes doesn't go to plan. You're thrown right across and you get stuck in the sand. There's a way somehow. We'll find a way somehow. I know the first instance it might seem hard.
You guys, look at this. Okay, this obviously has nothing to do with moving, but all of this other stuff, I'm shook. Also, I'm gonna take this out of my room because it literally just sits there. As of now, it has no use. I think I'm gonna move that to the garage. My mom might want to use it somewhere in the house. I don't remember if she said she did or not, but that's the situation, you guys. I pretty much have everything that I already bought all packed up and separated out. So I have all my bathroom stuff in here, bathroom decor, not bathroom toiletries or anything like that. I have my shower curtains. I bought some organizers, things like that, just the basic stuff. Towels also down there, and then I put a bunch of room decor stuff in here, and I tried to leave a little bit of room on the top because I have 2 other pillows coming, and I was gonna try to stuff those in there and see if that can all fit and just be in one box. And then in this box I have some stuff for my new school, Cheerwise, and old Palms. After I get this situation under control and get all these boxes in a certain corner in the room, I'm probably just gonna put them all against this wall once I get this out of here. I will move to the closet and take out some clothes that I don't wear often or that are just not seasonal, and the other random stuff like trophies and pillows that I don't use regularly, and put that into a box. But this is literally giving me straight up anxiety right now. Okay, are you ready for the greatest transition you've ever seen? If I can make this work when I'm editing. Dun 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 dun. So, oh, it's literally out of focus. There we go. So much more organized. I have the boxes lined up against this wall, and then I have this other little box here that doesn't have anything in it that I'm going to fill up, but I have to make a quick little run to Home Goods right now to return pillows that I bought. I'm gonna go return that, eat dinner, and I will continue the packing when I'm all done. I'm gonna pack up some stuff in my closet and then probably end the video there. I'm not sure, we'll see. I will update you very soon. All right, I'm home. It's a little later and it's time to continue the packing. Oh, hold on, my battery's flashing every time this happens. I'm going to finish off my packing for the night by packing up some clothes like I've been talking about. Let's do it. Whoa, that was really sad. I thought it would make this, oh, I'm delirious. I thought I would make the screen go black. Okay. My prom dress that I never got to wear. She was a beaut, but I will probably be wearing her next year. Okay, update time. The wall patching is no longer pink, but that's honestly irrelevant because it looks like a bomb went off in this room. I literally can't. Oh my gosh. It's bad. It's not looking too hot. What I'm going to do is try to get all of that to fit into this suitcase, get rid of all those hangers because I'm going to replace all of my hangers in my new room so that they are all the same, look nice and cohesive, because right now that just is not a pretty sight with the mismatched hangers. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and now that we're moving, I'm like, well, it's the perfect time. All the stuff on my bed is random miscellaneous things that I just will not make any use out of the next month. So I'm gonna fit the stuff that I definitely know that I will not be using. What is that? I'm gonna fit all the stuff that I know I won't be using into this box, and then things like my camera bag and my spare vlog camera in case anything were to happen to this one. I'm gonna put in this box, that way I just have easier access to it and I don't have to worry about taping it up or anything. I can just leave it up in my room and get nice access to it, because whenever my mom comes home from taking my brother to college, we are going to dismantle his bedroom, sorry Matthew, and make it into a place to store all the boxes so they don't have to just sit in the garage. All that because his room is also getting a facelift. It's gonna be his room slash the guest bedroom because he's not gonna be here most of the year. He'll be away at college. I'm getting off topic again, jeez. Anyway, I'm going to organize all this stuff, but you guys, look at this. Other than the drawers and these rods right here that have clothes on them, it is fully empty in this closet. I am shook. And I think the most shocking part of all of this is that these two drawers right here are completely empty. Never thought I'd see the day. It's really happening. Okay, I need to finish this up because it's getting late, and if I don't do it now, I'm going to be up till the freaking crack of dawn. Oh my gosh, it is now almost midnight, and I am finally done with the majority, honestly, of my packing. I did not expect to get this much done. I'm a little shocked, not gonna lie. I have all this stuff here, all these boxes. I got the terrifying pile of laundry under control, put that all away. I definitely need to vacuum because there's random things all over the floor, but I have this suitcase all filled up with clothes that I will most definitely probably not be wearing in the next month. This is an empty suitcase for if we end up having to stay the night at a hotel or Airbnb or something, which is probably the case. I'm not sure. I think my parents are still figuring that out. Random hangers that should probably just go back in the closet. The walls, of course, are empty. Saw me taking everything down, and then this is all that's left in that top drawer, and these two are completely empty. Up here, all totally empty. But that concludes today's video. I'm a little surprised my hair is not in a croissant at this point, but we made it. I'm realizing, I don't know if this was, I mean, it was probably a good idea because I needed to get it out of the way before school starting, because I would just overwhelm myself if I didn't start this now. But for the most part, it's done. I can't believe this is actually happening. Like I said at the beginning of this, I feel like I've been talking about this for feels like forever. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you're excited for all the moving content. Love you guys. Making a heart to you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Also, thank you for almost 30K. What? See you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.